Hey, so if you want to automate calculations and work faster in Google Sheets, yeah, learning formulas is one of the most important skills. In this guide, I'll show you how to use formulas in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create or open a spreadsheet. Every box in the spreadsheet is called a cell, and formulas use cell references like A1 or B2. To create a formula, always start with the equals sign. You can do simple math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The sum formula quickly adds multiple numbers together. Average calculates the mean value of selected cells. Count helps you count how many cells contain numbers. You can drag the fill handle to copy formulas across rows or columns. If you see an error, check spelling, brackets, and cell references carefully. The more you practice formulas with budgets, expenses, or schedules, the easier it becomes. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use formulas in Google Sheets to automate calculations and work more efficiently in 2026.